오늘 아침에 일어나 보니까 발리 쉐라톤이었어. 와, 아메리카노 되게 맛이 없어 보인다. 새로 해놓은 게 괜찮네 여기. 발리에 와서 첫 번째 외출. 발리 날씨가 여기인데 이렇게 좋아. 아직 발리에 왔다는 게 실감이 안 난다. 로얄산트리안 가기 전에 먼저 비치워크 상태를 좀 확인하려고 구경 좀 하고 넘어가는 걸로. 아직 비치워크 몰은 오픈을 안 했다 그래가지고 꾸따비치에 한번 나가볼까 생각 중. 근데 이때랑 비슷한 날씨가 한 4월 정도, 4월, 5월 그때 한 번 딱 왔었는데 그때 되게 더웠거든. 맨날 온 게 7월, 8월, 9월 7, 8, 9만 왔었잖아. 7, 8, 9 때는 이 발리 날씨가 한국보다 훨씬 더 선선하고 좋아. 근데 지금은 딱 날씨가 그거 같아. 싱가포르 날씨거든. 싱가포르 날씨. 너무 더워. 너무 축축해. 습기. 근데 이 습기가 별로 기분이 나쁘지가 않아. 사실 어저께 밤, 오늘 새벽에 저 발리에 와가지고 아직 발리에 적응이 안, 약간 좀 창피하고 쑥스럽고 한국에서 느낌이 계속 가지고 있어. 수영장에 한번 들어갔다 나와야지 이제 조금 적응이 될 것 같아. 너무 먹고 싶었어.
They say love is free, but it's more than you can see. It's a song, it's a melody, it's the beat of you and me. It takes more than words to know.
Mr. Kim ya?
Yeah.
Ya.
It takes more than bills to show.
There is a Wi-Fi if you want one. You set up the line, no one will disturb you. This is the plunge.
It takes all
Do not jump.
smile. Take care through all the trials. Just stay with me a while. It takes more than words to know. It takes more than bills to show. And it takes more than words to love. All these little things are enough.
아, 차가워.
All these little things are enough.
자, 여기 물 꽉 찼어. 봐봐. 어디 끝이야? 어? 예.
People have written books,
과일이야?
some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do. Staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. They are certain of what awaits them when it all ends. But I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in a century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know. I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grander master plan? Will I be washed away like lines in the sand?
우리 옛날에 그 스파 받은 데가 저기야.
People that put their faith into someone who's half their age, reading from a torn out page from a book filled with lies. I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday certain of what awaits them when it all ends. But I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in a century? Or will I be
계속
forgotten
내려가다
like dust in the
보면
wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grand? Am I master plan? Will I be washed away like the lines in the sand? Happen to me? Will I be remembered in this century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in this century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know.
50?
I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grander master plan? Will I be washed away just like lines in the sand?